Hello, hey, welcome back, and we're going to complete our Adobe Spark 3-week rotation with Adobe Spark Video. And this is probably my favorite tool on here that I can use with my students to really show their understandings and get them deeper into what we're learning about. So today we're going to be looking at a science example, and I'm going to make a video about the states of matter. So I come here, come to my dashboard, click up here, and I'm going to go to video. When I do that, it's going to open up the video. It's going to ask me what's mine about. So mine is about the states of matter. Perfect. And then from there, what I love is I have some pre-made templates where you can use, or I can just make my own. So I'm going to make my own. And once that loads, I love the idea that there is a 1-minute little tutorial about what you can actually do with Adobe Spark. So this video right now that I'm making for you, no offense, you don't really need, because this minute video right here is more than enough to teach your students what to do. But let's just keep going and looking for this. I would suggest they do not.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Do not click on this do not show tutorial again, because I want to watch it every time. So here is my a video, and what I love about it is it really narrows the idea of what you can make. So if you make a Google slideshow and then you screencastify, it's so abstract. There's so many options of what the students can do. But basically what Adobe Spark Video is it takes that feel of Google Slides and it turns it into a video. So each one of these you can look at as kind of like my slide. And then I'm just going to be able to record over it. So the first one I want is I'm going to want like a title slide. So I've already found a photo that I want. So I'm going to upload one from my computer. When I do that, oh, that looks great. I can edit it if I need to. Looks perfect. And then I can add text over the top of it. Perfect. And now all I have to do is record my introduction. Hello, I'm going to be talking to you today about the states of matter. Perfect. And then I can add another slide by clicking the plus button. And from there, all right, I want this one to be about an actual state of matter. So I'm going to choose the split screen here. Oh, love that one. And I'm going to add my text over here. So when I do that, I'm going to talk about solids. Okay. And then I'm going to describe what a solid is. Perfect. And then now this is not fitting perfectly, so I can always make things smaller or larger, however I want to do. Oh, that looks perfect. I love that. And then over here, I'm going to insert a picture. Now, another great thing is I can actually find my own photos over here. So I can type in solid, and then I can find the actual picture. Oh, this one looks perfect. Okay, that I would like to talk about. And here's why this picture is perfect. I'm going to explain in my recording. So the solid is a state of matter that is composed of tightly packed particles. They can't really move around, much like these bricks over here. They're kind of stuck in one spot, and they don't really move around. They might vibrate in place, but not move too much. I can continue this process and then complete all the states of matter. Now the next tab over here I have is theme. So maybe I don't like the way this is looking. Ooh, this one is the one I want, and I'm going to go with some school colors. Boom, there we go. No, I like it the other way. There we go. That looks perfect. And I can play around, but once again, there's not 1,000 ideas here. There's only a couple ones that I can choose. Then lastly, I can pick music if I want. I can click turn the music off. I can add my own music. I'm going to try this one. Oh, that one sounds perfect. I can figure out how loud I want it, if I want it louder or softer, to go from there. Perfect. So that's the one I want. So let's look at our completed project. Hello, I'm going to be talking today about the states of matter. So the solid is a state of matter that is composed of tightly packed particles. They can't really move around, much like these bricks over here. They're kind of stuck in one spot, and they don't really move around. They might vibrate in place, but not move too much. Awesome. And I hope you enjoyed Adobe Spark Video, and thanks for watching. Once again, this is Ms. Peterson saying you're welcome.